Hello everyone. Today our money collection came from Spain. This is a 1970 100 pesetas. 100 pesetas. It is 100 pesetas. Uh, this is already demonetized and it's hard to come by. I don't know how much is the value of this 100 peseta in today's value, since I don't know when was the Spain joined the European Euro. As you can see, and to those who have been in Spain, Spanish money is been changed into Euro already. So this is a rare for me. It's rare. I don't know to those who have this, since this banknote was already demonetized. I don't know what or where is this place, but it is a good picturesque. This is a reverse, the reverse of the 100 pesetas, 100 peseta, and this is the front. El Gobernador, El Cajero, El Inventor. El Cajero means the manager of the bank, I don't know, of Madrid. Pagara al Portador, 100 pesetas, Madrid, 17 de noviembre 1970. And you can see here, down here, there is some, I cannot read it, it's too small. This design was passed through some Spanish colonies, just like Philippines. They have the same kind of designs in 100 and some other denominations. So as you can see here, this is a hard to define what kind of design they have in here. Okay, that's for now, and thank you for watching. Until next video.